This is Gabriel Dice Davis from in Mira Thomas and Dice Davis's home. There's a little competition. It's the sweeping competition. Dice Davis is winning the game, but sadly, his brush is falling off.
But that's not full of my spirit. Oh,
It hasn't fallen off.
Maybe it will.
No, Gabriel.
Mira Thomas isn't winning.
Mama, up to
She's cheating. Mira Thomas is cheating. She's trying to win with her cheat. She's doing the steps. She's not doing it right. Dice Davis is winning. Dice Davis. They are having a fight. Dice Davis has nearly won the game of sand. Until the next ball on level 3, who will win this hand. Hi, competition fans. Dice Davis might win, but who will it be? I wonder in 10. We are watching them sweep in the race. Dice Davis's broom is falling off in the race. Dice Davis is winning. Mira Thomas is below. She's almost catched up, but Dice Davis just made him a foe. They just got a bit closer. Mira Thomas is nearly there. Dice Davis is going to beat her in a pair. Who will win, I wonder today? It might be Dice Davis. I think it might be, in a way. Dice Davis has won 3 rounds. Mira Thomas has won none. Dice might win. And the fans over there saying, Dice. The fans over saying, Mira Thomas. Dice Davis is nearly there. And he sweeps good. And he sweeps there. Mira Thomas has whacked him on the bum.
Yellow card.
Mira Thomas is now in last place. Mira Thomas has got a yellow card because she whacked Dice Davis on the bum. Mira Thomas has only got 1 point because she whacked him on the bum. Appa! If you whack people on the bum with your broom, you'll lose all your points and go into 1. What do you assume? Hey! Who will win? Mira Thomas won't because she's gone down to 1 because she cheated in a folk. She hit his bum and they're going to win. Who will win today's challenge of fins? Mira Thomas is on 2. She's on 3 points. She's on 4. She's nearly there. She picked up some rubbish. She's now on 1 again. Mira Thomas is on 1. She was on 4 points. Now she's on 1. And Dice Davis is in the scenes. Dice Davis has come back into the scenes as he runs with his broom. Appa is on 1 point.
He's got a red card. Andada appan yellow card kodukadre.
Adilla. Appa yellow card kittiyenge avaru red card udu.
Appa?
Yeah.
Actually on 1 point now. They both are on 2. They both are on 3. They both are on 4. They both are on 5. They both are on 6. They both are on 7. They both are on 8. Upper is on 10 because he touched the edge. Mira Thomas is on 8. Upper.
6.
Yes, he's on 6. Mira Thomas is on 6.
Yes.
Dice Davis is on 11. He's on 12. Yeah, you both got. Both of them got yellow points, so they both have nearly lost. Dice Davis is winning, and Dice Davis won 3 times. Neil Thomas has won none.
Am I the champion actually?
Who will win this third one? This is the 18th rushing race. Tomorrow we will have a race again. It will be toys versus hats. Neil Thomas will shoot her toy and Dice Davis will shoot his. You'll see in the comment next.
Now take a break. ചുമട്ട തൊഴിലാളി
അത് ഈ സാധനങ്ങൾ അതെടുത്ത് മാറ്റിയിരിക്കുക കേട്ടോ. ആ വടിയും അതൊക്കെ എടുത്ത് മാറ്റി. ഇലകളൊക്കെ എടുത്ത് മാറ്റിക്കുക. ഇതാണ് ഈ കിടക്കുന്ന ഇലകളൊക്കെ അതൊക്കെ എടുത്ത് മാറ്റി. എടുത്ത് മാറ്റിക്കുക. കടിച്ചാടിയൊക്കെ അതൊക്കെ അതെല്ലാം എടുത്ത് മാറ്റിയേ. നമ്മൾ ആ ഗ്യാപ്പാ ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നേ. അവിടെ നീട്ടി മാറ്റിയിട്. അതും അവിടെ തിരിച്ച് കത്തിയട. നടുക്ക് മിണ്ടം വിട്. Just put a line. That's it.
I found a weak
That.
Put it under that.
Mark.
Yeah.
Mark.
It's like a sandwich.
Mark.
That's the one. Hey, can I do the last one?
Do you want to do it?
Yeah, the last part. The last part is mine.
Mark. Run. Yeah. Good man. Yeah, tip it there. Yeah, that will do. And the bag goes in the blue bin. Okay. Good. Nice one. ഇതെല്ലാം പതുക്കെ ആവേശം കൂടാതെ മതി.